Welcome back to RotoCityTech. I am Hank, and we are out here camping right now, out in the Rocky Mountains of New Mexico. So I'll spin y'all around and let y'all see a little bit of what we're dealing with. But I wanted to do a quick little video about this hiking backpack that Clever sent out to me. We've been out hiking a bit, and I just wanted to do a little video about this backpack with my son in it, and we're going to be walking around a little bit. You ready to get in the backpack?
Yep.
All right. So we'll throw him in there and we'll show how it's all kind of buckled up and be good to go. Okay, there's Holden with the little sunshade. Can you say hi?
Hi.
We're going to go for a little walk here and just see how comfortable this is. So here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Going for a walk.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Poppy.
Bye-bye, Poppy. Go on the hike. Pretty fun. Yep. You see the water. Okay, you gotta duck your head. Duck. Yeah. We're just hiking. Yeah. Hang on, we're gonna finish the hike. All right, so I want to give y'all a view of it sitting down. There's my son still in it. He is about 2 years old, a little over. So the cool thing about this is it's got those little stirrups right there for his feet. Of course, those are adjustable. He's got the shoulder straps inside. Those are all adjustable. Really nice. This actual model by Clever is, or it has this detachable diaper bag here. You've got a zipper that can unzip, and it comes off the pack and it turns into a backpack. So if you have a kid that's a little older and is walking, maybe they can wear that. Of course, we got pockets here for bottles or wipes or whatever else you would need. And we got that zipper. Of course, we have this buckle here. Yep, with a little drawstring. And then, of course, that's just a big cavern in there. Yep. And on the straps that go around the adult, we've got this little pouch here that we can stow stuff. And on this side as well, same thing. And of course, this side of the diaper bag, same thing here. A couple storage solutions there. We have this detachable sunshade. It just clips on right there, pulls out of this sleeve here if you don't need it. But of course, it's really nice to have.
I'm done.
Yeah, we're about done. It's got a little drool rag right here that unvelcros. And so, yeah. So this thing's really cool. So there it is, ClevrPlus. This is their infant child carrier. I will tag the link in the description below.
Yep.
Oh, also that stand so it can sit up by itself. But thank you so much for Clever for sending this out. I borrowed one last year from a friend. I think it was an Osprey. And they're a bit more expensive. This one I think was around $140 or so. And so far it's been super comfortable. And it spreads that load out on your hips and on your shoulders and back so that you can go on these hikes, and when they get tired or whatever, they can just be in there and fall asleep and you can continue your hike. So anyways, thank you so much, Clever. Shout out to y'all, and we'll tag everything in the description below. And I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my little vacation here while we can and finish up this little walk Holden and I are doing. So y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching RotoCityTech. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Like, subscribe, and Holden's done.